Meet the Favre Leuba Sea Sky Revival in brown, a watch that brings 1970s hybrid sport design back to life. It's part diver, part pilot, and entirely retro, but somehow still feels fresh and satisfying to wear in 2025. At 40 millimeters wide and 15.2 thick, the Sea Sky Revival balances presence and comfort. Its polished and brushed stainless steel case is topped with a domed sapphire crystal and a brown ceramic bezel. Scratch-resistant, tactile, and beautifully color-matched to the dial. The reddish-brown tone isn't just trendy, it's daring. Few brands attempt a full brown colorway, and Favre Leuba nails it across the dial, bezel, and strap. This dial is a vintage mashup. Think 1970s engineering chic. You get chronograph subdials, tachymeter and telemeter scales, and superluminova on the hands and markers. It's busy but legible and full of charm. Turn it over, and the sapphire back reveals the caliber FLC-01, a Swiss-made automatic chronograph from La Perret. Column wheel control, 60-hour power reserve, and real decorative finishing. The vintage-style leather strap feels broken in right away, with quick-release spring bars for easy swaps. On the wrist, it wears solid yet refined, sporty but never flashy. This is a watch that looks just as good with denim as it does under a blazer. For $4,950, the Favre Leuba Sea Sky Revival Brown isn't the cheapest retro chronograph, but it's one of the most thoughtfully executed. The proportions, the color, and that excellent movement make it a genuinely enjoyable daily wearer. If you're after a vintage-inspired chronograph diver with real Swiss pedigree and a twist of individuality, this might just be your next sleeper hit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me, would you wear a brown chronograph?